Look at this collapsing stack of notebooks. You bought the planner, you set up the habit tracker, then you tried the block schedule, the bullet journal, and maybe a second to-do list app after you abandoned the first one. Standard productivity advice assumes you can build a habit in 21 days. It assumes a neurotypical operating system where motivation follows action in a predictable way. But your brain runs on an interest-based nervous system. You don't lack discipline. You lack dopamine regulation. Traditional tools are passive containers you have to fill with your own effort. What you actually need is an active productivity layer, a system that produces output, executes actions, and works with your wiring instead of fighting it. We are going to build 3 elements right now: a frictionless capture pipeline, an automated task breakdown engine, and a boredom shield. This shift is designed to move the burden of maintaining the system off of your shoulders, so you can spend your limited executive function on directing the work rather than managing the tools. Step 1 is the capture pipeline. When a business idea hits you at 2 a.m., you need a way to grab it instantly before it disappears, with absolutely zero friction. Install a dictation tool like ChatGPT or Otter AI on your phone. Place a single-tap voice recording widget directly on your home screen. When an idea arrives, you just tap the widget and speak your unstructured, raw thoughts aloud. The strict rule here is that you do not touch your keyboard. Do not try to type, edit, or structure the idea yourself. This diagram shows how AI takes over the cognitive load. While an audio waveform pulses on the left, the AI transcribes and organizes your words into clean, structured text blocks on the right. It automatically separates your ramble into core concepts and actionable items. Bypassing the keyboard entirely matches the ADHD brain's natural burst pattern of attention. It removes the friction that usually kills your momentum before you even start. Step 2 targets the next major hurdle: the paralysis that hits when you look at a large, unstructured project and cannot see the path from here to done. Take that idea you just transcribed and feed it straight into your AI chatbot. Use this exact prompt. Take this idea and return 30 concrete actions with dependencies and time estimates. Within seconds, you get a comprehensive, step-by-step project breakdown generated for you. The critical rule is to scan that list and isolate only the 3 easiest tasks. Pull those 3 tasks into your immediate workspace and let the rest fade into the background. Planning is a massive cognitive load. Offloading that logic to the AI means you can move straight into execution, using your energy for the work instead of the preparation. Step 3 is the boredom shield. Repetitive, low-skill administrative tasks drain your dopamine and reliably trigger task avoidance. To handle these, we'll use an automation platform like Zapier or Make to run quietly in the background. Look at this flowchart. The sequence starts with a simple trigger: a calendar meeting ends. That trigger automatically prompts an AI agent to instantly summarize your meeting notes. Finally, the sequence completes by automatically distributing those summarized notes via email to your team. This invisible layer operates consistently, no matter what your daily motivation levels are or how far your dopamine dips. Your brain interprets repetition as a threat. Automating these tasks neutralizes that threat, protecting your vital hyperfocus energy for high-leverage strategy work. You now have a complete, functional system: frictionless capture, automated planning, and a repetitive task shield, all running together. Now you need to change how you measure productivity. Stop tracking arbitrary Bingley streaks. Measure your success purely by how many completed, revenue-generating tasks you achieve. Right now, you might feel the urge to add dozens of new apps and complex steps to this fresh workflow. That is the ADHD overbuild trap. Do not build anything else. Run only this specific 3-part pipeline every single day for the next 30 days. You don't need fixing. You just need tools that handle overhead your brain wasn't built for, so your business keeps moving even when your attention doesn't.